50 mm wide. Ang width niya ay 50 mm. May 150. So H is 150. Yan yung cross-section ng beam. Alin ga yung beam? Ito yon. Ito yung beam na yon. Yan. Ito yan. Beam cross-section niya. Yun. That carries the load na uniformly varying. Hinahanap nyo. Alin ga yung cross-section na yon? Ito yon. Yung beam na yon na nagdadala. Pag pinalaki natin yon, yun yung kanyang cross-section. Alam natin ang kanyang, kung say 150, ano yung C? It is 75 mm. Okay. Ang cantilever beam, 50 millimeters wide by 150 millimeters long, carries a load that varies uniformly from zero at the free end to a maximum of 1,000 Newton per meter at the wall. So dito daw ay 1,000 Newton, 1,000 Newton per meter. Yun yung maximum dito sa wall. Kung ating yan, siya ay uniformly varying. Max 0 dito, tapos maximum of 1,000 Newton per meter. A. Compute the magnitude and location of the maximum flexure stress. So saan daw yung the magnitude, yung gaano kalaki, at saka saan nag-develop yung maximum flexure stress. So again, we start by finding muna the reactions of the wall because it is a cantilever beam. May reaction sa wall. At saka, anong equivalent concentrated load? We can find this, F. At ang distance niya from the wall, ano ang length niya? 6 meters pala ang length. Given pala yung length niya, 6 meters. So, ito ay 1/3 of 6 o 2 meters from the wall. Dito naman, if taken from here, siya ay 4 meters. Kung dito kinuha yung distance. Yan. Now, if there is a force acting here in this direction, it will create a moment na F times 2, which will be counteracted by the moment created dito. Yan. Meron ngayong moment at the wall. May moment sa wall. So what is the reaction at the wall? By summation forces vertical. Hindi yan tayo mag-umpisa. Summation forces vertical is 0. R is F. But our F is 1/2 na area ng triangle. 1/2 times 1,000 newtons per meter times the length of 6 meters. So yun ang F. Di 3,000, no? It is 3,000. Tama, dahil ito ay magkakancel. And it is acting at 2 meters from B, or from the wall. How about the moment of the wall? It will counteract yung F at ang distance niya ay 2 meters. So siya ay 3,000 times 2. So the moment of the wall is 6,000 Newton meter. Kung idodrawing natin ang shear, so values for M shear diagram in newtons, Shear at A is 0. Then shear at B is carry over yung shear at A minus F. So it is negative 3,000. Then there is a reaction at the wall. So shear at B prime is shear at B plus the reaction at the wall. So it is negative 3,000 plus 3,000. We will draw 0, negative 3,000, 0. Now, how do we connect? First degree ito dahil the load pa lamang ay first degree na. So, dapat second degree ang nasa shear diagram. Siya ay minimum dahil negative siya pababa. So, ang kanyang pagiging negative ay nalaki. So, negative and increasing. Negative and increasing. Again, i-draw yung circle. This is negative increasing, positive increasing, positive decreasing, negative decreasing. So, ito yung first quadrant. Yan, mawala. So, this is negative at ang pagiging negative niya ay increasing. Negative, increasing. O kaya minimum, maximum. Minimum, maximum. So, ito, first quadrant na curve ang gagayahin natin. So, it is this curve. Yan. Doon na natin ilagay. Yan ang second degree curve. We simply imitate this curve. Now, yun namang values for the moment diagram. So, moment at A, paano yan? It is second degree. Hindi na mahirap kuhanin ang area. Ano? Mahirap kuhanin ng area. But we can do that. Meron tayong tinatawag na area under spandrel. Pagkuha ng area, pag yan ay second degree, ano? Ang area under spandrel, ay ang area daw is equal to 1 over n plus 1 times base times height. And n is that degree. So, ito yung n. Second degree. So, kung ito ay second degree curve, yung area na yon is 1 over 2 plus 1 times base times height. So, 1/3. Instead na area ng triangle is 1/2, siya ay 1/3 BH. Try nga natin yan. So, moment at A is 0. Moment at B is carry over moment at A minus because it is area under the zero line. Ano? Below the zero line is 1/3 ng base. Ano ang base? 6 meters times the height, 3,000. So, yun. So, how much is that? This is negative. Di 1,000 na ito. 6,000. Wala nang unit. Then, meron tayong moment at the wall, which is a positive moment dahil clockwise. So, moment at B plus the moment at the wall. Anong moment at the wall? Ito, 6,000. the moment at B prime pala ito, B prime. Negative 6,000 plus 6,000 is 0. So yan, area under spandrel. Yung kanya namang kaano, kung papaganito naman yung curve, paganyan yung curve. Sabihin, yung kanyang, kung ito yung rectangle yan, kung aring kapag anong curve, it comprises 1/3. Ito naman kabila, 2/3. No? 2/3 naman yun. Pagka papaganon yung curvature. Kung halimbawa papaganyan ang curvature ng beam, ay may diagram natin, ng shear diagram. Yan. Ito ngayon ay 2/3. No? Instead na ano, yun ay n plus 1. Pagka magiging ito ay magiging 2/3. 3 times h. Dahil nga, bigay ang ganun, it comprises a whole rectangle. Kung ay 1/3, ito ay 2/3. Okay, so that is, or if hindi alam ito, what we'll do is we pass a cutting plane, balik tayo dun sa ating shear and moment equation. Magpapas tayo ng cutting plane diyan, and we write the shear equation between A and B, and we will get the same value. I'm sure for that. I'm sure of that. No? Okay, so we have found the moment, the maximum moment is, i-drawing muna natin, 0, tapos negative 6,000, tapos 0. Paano i-drawing? Ganun pa rin, siya ay negative at saka ang pagiging negative niya, ito naman ang ating i-describe, the shear diagram. Negative siya because it is below the zero line, and its negative is increasing from 0 to negative 3,000. Negative increasing. Ito pa rin. That curve, but this time it is a 3rd degree curve. Kahit pareho lang ang drawing, pareho lang na naka-curve na pa ganon, lalagay laang na 3rd degree. Negative 6,000 ito. So 0. That is a curve, Curve. Yan. So the maximum moment is negative 6,000 Newton meter. Ang tanong na una, the first question is, compute the magnitude and location of the maximum flexure stress. Saan mag-occur yung location? Saan mag-occur yung maximum flexure stress? At the wall, no? So question number 1, magnitude and location. Of maximum flexure stress. So, saan nag-occur yun? Ang ating maximum moment is negative 6,000. So, getting the value ng maximum flexure stress is, it is a rectangular in nature. So, we will apply the formula 6m over bh squared. So, it is 6 times 6,000 over 3.05 times 0.15 square, dahil square yung So the maximum flexure stress is how much? Ano ang magnitude niya?
Hala mo ni! Ah! Yan! Nako, si Muning naman. Open do.
$32. Did you get 32 megapascals? Please compute. Do you have the computation, please? Yes. And where does it occur? Saan siya nag-occur? At the wall. Yun, we have answered question number 1. The maximum flexure stress occurs at the wall and its magnitude is 32 megapascals. Ang sunod na tanong,